Are you searching for the best CNC motion controller? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best CNC motion controller in 2024, which save you time and money.
Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2. It's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time.
Number 5. XHC Mach 3 CNC Controller Axis Motion Control Card. This controller is an embodiment of advanced technology designed to provide efficient control over axis output, which includes drive current, type, output frequency, axes, and isolation voltage. It comes with 3 spindle inverter output modes: analog voltage output, PWM output, and pulse direction output. Furthermore, it provides detailed specifications about the 8 I/O output and 16 I/O input. Each of these features a specific drive current, isolation voltage, and current input specifications. In addition to these, the controller's Ethernet interface ensures fast and secure data transmission. XHC Mach 3 MKX-ET features. Supports all versions of Mach 3 and Windows PC. Works only with an Ethernet interface. IP address setting is required. Refer to the last page for guidance. Retains data after power off. Provides spindle speed feedback. Comes with a 10-meter Ethernet interface cable. Supports up to 6 axes. Maximum step pulse frequency is 2000 kHz. Includes 16 general-purpose inputs and 8 outputs. Provides real-time display of spindle speed via velocity feedback function. All I/O ports are isolated for interference-free stable performance. Compatible with both servo motor and step motor.